Absolute HVAC Mechanical. Absolutely best service organization Long Islanders utilize trustingly every day. For your air conditioning and heating needs, including new installation, service, or replacement, call Absolute HVAC Mechanical. Absolute HVAC Mechanical has been proudly and expertly serving Long Islanders for over 40 years and is A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. It's air conditioning season. If your unit needs service or replacement, or you're interested in a service agreement, call Absolute HVAC Mechanical now. 100% satisfaction guaranteed, or their services are absolutely free.